Okay, I've already crossed out number 2, so I'm going to go ahead and go to 3 through 6. Remember, I'm not ready to deal with this type of notation here. These transformations, we'll deal with this next semester. I will come back to this, but I just did not want to give this to us right now. So I need you to cross out these. We don't need that. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to the next page. Okay, write the equation of the quadratic, all right, with the vertex. Okay, what does that tell me? Quadratic is this, and the vertex form is like this. So when you see quadratic and vertex, y'all, you're going to start spitting out this equation. Now, I will either have it on a flowchart or on the board the day of the final. So you don't have to have these memorized, but you should know how to use them well. So the vertex is at 7, -1, which is our h, k. And it's been compressed by a factor of 1/2 and has reflected over the x-axis. Here we go. I got all this down. The reflection over the x-axis means that's a negative a. The 1/2 compression means my a is equal to 1/2. And I already know my h and k. My h is 7, and my k is -1. So once I have all this down, you just have to kind of pluck it out and call it a done deal. Now here we go. F of x equals, I know it reflected, so it's a negative. I know my a is 1/2 because of the vertical, or the compression. I know my x goes in here. What do we remember about our x's? Our x's always lie, so that +7 is actually going to be -7. And then our k always tells the truth, which is at this point -1, and bazam, you have yourself your answer. So now I'm going to do number 8. Write the equation of the quadratic with the vertex at -3, -6, and has been stretched by a factor of 4. Good for us. Watch how I can do this quickly. F of x equals, remember, stretched means our a, and a factor of 4 means our a is 4. Any reflections? None. So that's going to be the positive. Now, I know that I'm going to have this thing, and y'all don't forget that little squared up there. Some of y'all are writing your equation, you keep forgetting that square. This is my h, k, right? My vertex. And so I know that my x's always lie. So I know that's going to be +3, and then that's going to be -6. Done.